Building Hope is a $2.5 million initiative to raise money for a new Encompass Christian Counseling and Encourage Foster Care facility in Stark County.
This is something that is greatly needed in Stark County. We are, like many other areas, in a mental health crisis. Currently, right now, our population to therapist ratio is 310 to 1. So a new Encompass facility would greatly benefit Stark County. We do serve a very unique niche because we are attachment and trauma focused, and so that would allow us to expand our staff, expand our influence, help more people find their worth in Christ.
In today's world, anxiety and depression continue to grow in young children, in youth, in working people, in older people. Our wait list continues to increase, nearing 100 people. We would love the ability to serve more people and meet more of this need.
Our current facility is not only an old house, but it has been used and remodeled many times to provide outpatient services to our community. However, the age of the building, as well as the limits in the space that it allows, really creates barriers for us to be able to offer what we want.
So a new facility would enable us to grow our staff and actually double it, and to be able to service and see more clients and families. It would also allow us to begin to have more group programming, which is something that we're very limited on right now. We've had to do a lot more virtually. Currently, since we are in an older home, we only have one office that is handicap accessible. The doorways are not made to code, and so that also limits our ability to help anybody with any kind of handicaps or accessibility issues. In addition to that, a new facility, we would be adding more parking spaces. We currently have 3 on site, and then we do share with the church next door, but there is a very long walkway that somebody would have to use if those 3 spots are already taken up. So this would aid in being able to provide services to people who have mobility issues or who have other handicaps.
On any given day, Encourage Foster Care receives multiple referrals from Stark County looking for homes to place their youth. And unfortunately, due to lack of foster homes, we have to turn so many of those referrals away.
A new facility in Massillon for Encourage Foster Care will give us the opportunity to host pre-service and ongoing trainings for foster parents. Also just give us a space for us to love on our foster families, have them come together, support one another, and also give us the ability to provide individual therapy services and case management for the foster youth.
So a life skills room in the new office is going to have a washer and dryer and a stove and an oven so that we can help a lot of underprivileged families, or even kids who go through the foster care system don't learn a lot of those just basic daily living skills that either they're not taught because they're so focused on just surviving from day to day. So this allows us to teach both our clients who are parents or teach our clients who are kids some of these daily living skills so that then they can begin to focus on other things that they want to improve on or grow in versus just worrying about how to survive from the day to day.
It is in our ability to impact lives, families, and communities to better serve the mental health and foster care needs of our community.
Together, we can help more people experience their worth in Christ. Learn more at buildinghopecampaign.org.